So when discussing logarithmic functions, so here is what an exponential equation would look like. We have y equals b to the x. That's our normal form about what it would kind of look like, and we already know that. Now to turn this equation, the opposite of that, of an exponential, is called, it's logarithmic function. So this is just the opposite of an exponential. So we write that as y equals the log and then b as our base of x. So in this example, let's say that we had the exponential equation of y equals 2 to the x. And this would be turned into y, and then this -1 up top just represents that it is the inverse function of this one right here. So we know that this one is going to be turned into a logarithmic equation, and that would be represented as log with the base of 2, x. And then what does this look like? Now if we look here on our graph, I have plotted, we have our exponential equation, which is y equals 2 to the power of x, and that looks like this line right here. And we can find our asymptote. It's going to kind of be, let's see, around find our asymptote later. So our asymptote is going to be on this line right here. It looks like our asymptote is going to be 0 for this one, because it never goes below 0. And then we have our, where we change it into a logarithmic function, and that's going to be this line right here. And if you can tell, let's say we put this line right there. It's a direct reflection over that line. So that's why when we say that the exponential functions are the inverse of the logarithmic functions, is because it's the opposite. It flips over this y equals x line. And the asymptote for the logarithmic function is going to be 0 this way. So let's say we have a 0.01. So what that's going to do is we're going to flip the x and the y values, and then that is where we get 1, 0. And let's say we have right here 10.336 or 3.22. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to go to the y value of 10, and we can find that that is going to be that 3.22 number. It's going to be that same thing because our x and y values split.